Right, so today I forgot to film at start, but we've cleaned this wall up, bit of soft washing. Look at that for a pad. This is that over there, Liv. Ah, that's mega. Anyway, back to what we've been doing, cleaning these walls up. Yeah, that little wall goes all the way around. I'm just going to show you a picture of what it looked like before. Oh, that goes all the way up there. I don't know if you can see that, right? It goes a little bit anyway, and then it turns a bit. I'm just going to cut back in a sec. Yeah, that wall were all like this. So, we maxed out with those pipes, 200 metre of line taking us up, so I just can't reach it with softwash today. So that's what it was all like. Well, not as bad as that, but it was still bad, pretty bad. This is just touchings in. This is a little sample shot we did for him. He's a bit more like just a couple of touching in, and that's what it was like. But we've got quite a bit to do around here as well. Check this out, look at that for a pad. Big windows looking out on that. How cool is that? Tiny squirrely, I didn't even see that. Oh, that's mega. We did a job for this guy a couple of years ago. We did he's got an airport, by the way. That's how he's managed to get his money, I think. He's got all them strawberry fields and that down there, but there's all this wall to do. A bit more to do after. Yeah, that goes all the way around. Yeah, look at that for a pad. Proper that, innit? On private lake. Right. I don't know if we can get any footage of this. I ain't got no GoPro strap for my head, or a tripod or out. It's not interesting with me. Look at that. Proper filth. Right, we'll catch you in a bit.